In the face of adversity, what drives you to push forward? Courage, experience, absolute trust in all that supports you. Meet the new generation of enterprise drones, the Matrice 30 series. 16 times optical zoom camera, thermal camera, wide camera, and a laser rangefinder, the M30 is the new standard for hybrid payloads. Powered by DJI's latest flight controllers, image transmission, and image processing technology for next-level performance. 6-way sensing and positioning offers protection and ensures safe flight. A new generation of quad-antenna image transmission ensures signal stability, even in complex environments. With its 200 times hybrid zoom camera, you can focus from afar and capture the precise shots you need. And its high-resolution thermal camera efficiently reveals heat sources. When night falls, the M30 is ready. Its low-light FPV camera sees your surroundings even in darkness, so you can work safely. And Smart Low-Light Photo captures clear pictures even at night. All of this power is still compact and portable. It fits in your backpack to go where you go, ready to unpack and deploy in seconds. Hot swap batteries to keep you flying, even under torrential rain, treacherous slopes, scorching heat, gale force winds, or freezing cold. The M30 is designed to endure. The new DJI RC Plus controller is designed for enterprise pilots. It's waterproof and resistant to extreme temperatures. With quad antenna video transmission, 4G, battery hot swapping, and 65-watt fast charging, you can power through until the work is done. Pilot 2, with a reimagined user interface for a revolutionary flight control experience. Introducing DJI FlightHub 2, a complete ground-to-cloud drone operations platform. 2.5D base map and one-tap panorama sync gives you rapid situational awareness, and RGB or infrared cloud mapping gives you high-resolution orthomosaics, so you can proceed with safety and assurance. With live annotations, draw points, draw routes, or divide work areas, and quickly synchronize information across remote controllers, computers, and mobile devices for true ground-to-cloud coordination. For the remote places on Earth, for roads less traveled, we present to you DJI Dock, built for round-the-clock automatic and repeatable drone flights wherever you need it. Highly compact and integrated for easy installation, setup and configure in just 30 minutes. Core components are modular and easy to maintain. The M30 Dock version upon landing can recharge and take off in just 25 minutes. With an operating radius of 7 kilometers, DJI Dock can cover a wide range of repetitive inspection and monitoring tasks across a variety of scenarios. Plan and perform remote missions through the DJI FlightHub 2 cloud platform. The drone can take off, execute the assigned tasks, and automatically upload media files. Check on drones, docks, and mission status in real time from your web browser to officially manage your grid of docks and achieve a truly remote work experience. The world we live in is built upon your trust and hard work. The Matrice 30 series for an eye in the sky when you need it. DJI FlightHub 2 for air-to-ground coordination. And the rugged, automatic DJI Dock to help you day and night. All of this is ready for you.